How to share post both on Facebook and Instagram. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect your Facebook and Instagram account. To do that, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Navigate to the option Account Center. Click on the option Profiles. Click on Add Account. Now select the option Add Facebook Account. Now you'll need to click on Continue. Make sure you are logged in with the Facebook account in which you want to share the post of Instagram. Once you connect your Instagram to the Facebook, now you can easily share the post. Click on Allow and finish adding. Now you can head back and upload any of the post. So click on this plus option, select any of the picture or video, click on Next. Once you're on this page, over here you're gonna find this section Post To. Enable for the option Facebook. Now you will get this kind of pop-up. Share the post for this time only or always share the post. Select the option of your choice. Then you can post it. With this, the picture or the video will be posted in both Instagram and Facebook. So this way you can easily share posts both on Facebook and Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.